The last room of the museum contains materials dedicated to the lecturers of the Faculty of Law at the University of Łódź, Professor Biruta Lewaszkiewicz-Petrykowska and Professor Witold Broniewicz. Professor Biruta Lewaszkiewicz-Petrykowska was born in Kraków on August 26, 1927. Her father was a colonel in Polish army, and his ancestors came from Lithuania. Despite her young age, Biruta became involved in underground activities during World War II. After the war ended, she graduated from Jagiellonian University with a law degree. In the late 1940s, she was offered a job at the University of Łódź. There, she defended her doctorate and began her scientific work. She specialized primarily in civil law. In addition to her academic work, Biruta Lewaszkiewicz also completed her attorney's training. She received her doctorate in legal sciences in 1959, was habilitated in 1967, and was subsequently awarded the title of Associate Professor in 1975 and Full Professor in 1987. In November 1997, she was elected to the Constitutional Court. She has been honored with numerous awards, including the Commander's and Officer's Cross of the Order of Polonia Restitutia. She also served as Dean of the Faculty of Law and Administration at the University of Łódź twice. Exhibits related to her professional and family life include documents, photographs, paintings, an old typewriter, beds, and old furniture from the turn of the 20th century.